welcome to another episode of Quarantined Cuisine. Today we are going to make a turkey pot pie. And so what we've got are our ingredients, and I'll list those for you. Now, this is a quick and easy because you're tired and you have turkey left over. So if you have turkey left over from Thanksgiving maybe, or if you do a turkey over Christmas with your family and you have turkey left over, this is a great way to switch it up and give your family something different to eat. This is very fast and very easy, and you can make it even easier than I've made it today. So what I'm going to start with are our pie crusts, and I've just gotten a couple of ready-made pie crusts that are already in a pan. And so we're going to pierce those with a fork. This will allow for venting, and you want to do it on the sides as well. And then you're just going to pop those in the oven while we get everything else together. Noticed I'm making 2 turkey pot pies. So what I have are my ingredients. Let's go over those real quick. Now, I've got cooked diced potatoes, carrots, green beans I just got out of the can, corn I got out of the can, peas I got out of the can, and this is diced and cooked onion. Again, you can substitute, swap, change, whatever you might want in your pot pie. You can also make it super easy and get some veg oil or just mixed veggies. They also have diced potatoes, so if you prefer to just make this a quick throw together meal, you can do those as well. And I just had some potatoes and carrots that I needed to get rid of as well. In this bowl I have my cream of chicken soup, and we're just going to start mixing all of this together. So we're going to add some potatoes, and there's a little bit of water in there, and that's okay because that's just going to give our condensed soup a little more liquid to it. It's pretty doggone thick anyhow. And then we're going to add the turkey. Mix that together. Now, before I add the rest of my veggies, I'm going to go ahead and season this. And if you guessed Cavenders, you're right. So I'm going to put just a little bit of Cavenders in here and go ahead and mix that in. This will give it a nice flavor. Just a little more. Okay, so I'm going to add some of the carrots, and again, you can get these in a can, and that way it is even easier for you. Took me about 20 minutes to cook the carrots. Then we're going to add green beans. This is white whole corn. And then these are some early peas. And we're just going to fold that over. You don't want to stir it too much now because you don't want to mush your veggies. Then we don't want to forget the onions. Now, I know a lot of people probably don't put onions, but this is a nice sweet onion that I had, and I thought, well, I will throw that in there. So we're just going to mix until this is all together. Okay. Now you can see our filling for our pot pies is looking excellent, and we'll check on our pie crusts. So the bottom pie crust is baked. We're going to pull these out of the oven, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fill our cooked pie crusts with the filling. Now again, all of these ingredients are already cooked, so when we put this back in the oven, what we're doing is cooking that top crust. That one went a lot smoother, even though my crust cracked, but I'm just gonna push it right back together because that's what you can do with crusts. Traditionally, I would use the folding pie crust, but the store was out and these worked in a pinch. Don't forget to prick some holes to allow for venting, and then we will pop these right back into the oven to get that top layer cooked. Okay, we're going to put our pie crust right back, get that top layer nice and cooked. Let's see how we're looking. Oh, beautiful. All right, we will get these pies onto a cooling rack. Thank you for watching Quarantine Cuisine. I'm Prudence Caskey, and I hope you enjoy your turkey pot pies.